Welcome to Locomasti, kids! Today, we're going on a super fun adventure with colorful buses. Are you ready for the color pool challenge? Hey! Let's go!
Look, here comes our first bus.
What color is it? Yes! It's a green bus, and it's driving down. It goes, where will it land? Wow, it landed in the green water pool. Great job, green bus!
Toot-toot!
Red bus. Here comes the next bus.
What color is this one?
You're right, it's a red bus. Let's cheer it on.
Go, red bus, go!
Down the slide it goes. Hooray! That's the perfect match. Yellow bus. Here comes a bright and sunny bus. What color is it? Yes, it's yellow. Me. Yeah. Let's count. 3, 2, 1. Slide. Whee! Down goes the yellow bus.
You're doing amazing, little learners.
Blue bus. Wow. What's this cool color coming now? It's a blue bus. Yeah. Let's wave and say,
Hi, blue bus.
look at that. It landed in the blue water pool. Ah, so cool. All buses together. Now let's see all the buses again. Green, red, yellow, and blue. They all slid down the slide and splashed into their matching color pools. Can you say the colors with me? Green, yuck hair, red, yellow, blue. Great job. Thanks for joining the Color Pool Challenge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Locomasti, kids.